Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV with Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Well, guys, I'm coming to you. You know, we in the midst of Corona. It is so much confusion going on in the world today. I know I even got my bob today. This is a new hairstyle for Chelsea May. Because, with this type of all these viruses and diseases in the air, you got to be bobbing and weaving from Corona. You got to have you one of them styles. You can just, in case something get back, you just can take it off and start running. This actually is one of our units, our raw Cambodian units. And I did not even gel her down today because, y'all are really about to have your hairstylist going to work today because, people are really frightened about the Corona. And today we didn't even do a full beat. Because I got so many things that I got to be worried about when I go to work today. All I was able to do was put on my lipstick and draw my eyebrows on, okay? Because today, Chelsea is going to be the top flight EPA disinfectant employee of the year. So, we're just letting all of our clients know that we will be practicing even more higher sanitation than normal. We'll be having people come on a periodic basis to make sure the bathrooms and everything is disinfected, sanitized. And also, me personally, before, anywhere throughout the salon, I will be sanitizing using alcohol-based materials, using alcohol, 99%, the hand sanitizer. Also, we also will be having our quote-unquote quarantine room available because at main attractions, we're not like the regular hair salons where everybody's out in the open. So you don't have to worry about anybody necessarily coughing on you. It's a lot of separation. At main attractions, we have private suites available. So, in these private suites, pretty much you will be to yourself. We have a couple of sections in the salon where each client can be by themselves individually. They don't have to worry about nobody breathing, chewing up in their face, or none of that. We're not gonna be playing no games. We Corona ready at main attractions hair weaving. And also now we do have some clients with weak immune systems or who is just scared. And I'm not even trying to be funny talking about, it's okay if you're scared. It's just, and I really think, to be honest, I think that the fear alone in this virus can kill you and take you out. Corona even had me jumping from store to store looking for tissue. It's ridiculous. These people are losing their mind. They're acting like it's Armageddon, like it's about to be the end of the world. And I'm not even going to let that as Donald Trump. I heard Donald Trump's called it a spirit today. I'm not even going to let this Corona spirit trouble my spirit, okay? And I'm finding in times like these, that's what you have to do. You'll be ready to lose your mind and go straight on to the St. Elizabeth Hospital, okay? It's enough stuff out here with this coronavirus. People dying this day. They found this strand, ain't no cure. Somebody sprayed somebody at the Walmart, of one of these press bombers. He was one of them. And by when I mean one of them, one of those people, I think he really had just fully gave into the full Corona fear. He has a hazmat. Now I have a hazmat. I purchased a hazmat suit. I purchased mine yesterday from my local bag carrier. His name actually is Malik, and he's located in the DC metro area. Inbox me for details, but he gave me my own hazmat suit, and with my hazmat suit, now this is for, I do have some clients that actually have, cancer and really troubling immune systems right now. So I'm going to be she's going to be in our quarantine room, it's pretty much like a space that already has the dryer in there. Pretty much, it's only going to be her in that room. And we also have a disinfectant Now, this is not, I think the disinfectant that we have, it is EPA approved. I'm not even sure if Lysol is EPA approved or not. You guys are going to have to look on the stats, check that for me. But we believe that we have a disinfectant, and I'm not going to show y'all because your hairstylist is not about to steal up and buy up all our disinfectant agents for the hairstylist that is working, okay? So the EPA approved, this is approved by the government that it will not, pretty much is almost the same equivalency of saying something is FDA approved. It has enough, this product is backed enough that, it kills HIV. And this is something, I wish people were this scared about AIDS and sexual transmitted disease. People rolling around here hipping and hopping with everybody, not even using protection. Now, AIDS can kill you. Corona, it only has a 1% chance of killing you, and people losing their mind like this. People need to be scared of AIDS like this. But anyways, we're going to get back on topic. So, we're going to be practicing, for our clients who are very fearful and also who have weakened immune systems, and they have been advised by their doctors not to leave the house. We will be using our special disinfectant agent, and I found out today, and also, this is some information that a lot of cosmetologists are privy to, and probably esthetician. We will not only be doing disinfecting, which I believe disinfecting is sanitation, disinfecting, and then there's sanitizing. I'm sorry, sanitizing, disinfecting. Look, I'm getting messed up. We will not be just sanitizing the area. We will be doing a full out. See, now y'all getting me confused with Corona. Corona got my head spinning now. I'm messing up all my stuff. Okay. So, to disinfect, that means you are pretty much removing most of the bacteria and mold spores on that area. And also even so that's pretty much equivalent to your Lysols. And also, but we're going to take it a step further. For those who have a weakened immune system, we will be fully sanitizing the area. And when you're sanitizing something, generally you will let your whatever agent that you have that has that 99.9 virus killing type of agents in it, and you let it sit. So we're going to be doing that on a lot of our products. We have a non-porous disinfectant that is used on hard different types of apparatus and even some drapes and shampoo bowls and things of that nature at the salon for people who are they're at risk. So at Main Attractions we got you covered. And even during this time, I know that some of your hairstylists may not be working. You are free to come to us. However, if you are sick, you better stay home, because you will not be giving me no virus, okay? Or none of my clients. So we will be letting, you can come back to us. I know some of the clients, some of you chair hoppers be chopping from one hairstylist to the next. Now in the Corona season, a lot of people's stylists are not working. So, if you want to come back to us temporarily, you can. The price may go up, though. So anyway, these are just the measurements that we'll be taking. And we just want to tell all our clients, we hope that they stay encouraged through this time. Take a walk. They said Corona is killed by some of the air and the sunlight. And another thing, I believe that negativity attracts more negativity, and it has been scientifically proved. So, you sitting up in the house, scared, worried out of your mind, worrying about if Corona just going to creep up on you at any given time. That's not the way to be living your life at a time like this. You need to go out, yes, take different safety measurements, but at the same time, you got to live your life. Because tomorrow is not promised. And again, I think I was looking on the stats. I keep looking on it, every couple of days, find out new information. It's I believe in 5,000 that can actually contract this virus. And the virus is very similar to the common cold, if I'm not mistaken. So, just turn off that media. The media is ran by, I am a conspiracist. I believe the media is ran by certain forces and people who are in power of this country who want to control the masses. That's why a lot of times I do not watch CNN. I don't watch TV. I do be on Facebook, and even then I'll limit my amount of negative interactions. If I got too many people, all they doing is crying and scared about everything, I try to get away from them type of people, and I suggest you to do the same. Because if not, you're going to be locked up in your house like a crazy person. You know what I'm saying? This coronavirus, like Trump said, the spirit of fear is going to get you before corona do. You done lost your mind. Next thing you know, you're going to need all types of Prozac, Zoloft, and all the rest of the antidepressants to help ease your mind over this stuff, over this virus. You got to be able to make it. And another thing, stress and worry weakens your immune system, so make you more susceptible to receiving viruses in the first place. Okay? Hello. They don't call me the weave doctor for nothing. And another thing, on top of disinfecting and sanitizing our areas, making sure, for the people who are more, not, as concerned, and that, having the weakened immune system, we still will be wiping down frequently every area that you move in. We will be using pretty much alcohol base and things, Lysol and things of those natures that cleans it. And I found out today that, just by you using sanitizer is good, because no bacteria can form on clean surfaces. So, it's very good to get educated about this thing. Don't let these high powers sit up there, have you worrying, tripping out up in your house, like you about to be in a straight jacket, So, just take care of yourself during this time. Try to enjoy yourself. Take a walk. Visit the hair salon if you feel like if you need to. And honey, when you need to go to the salon. Okay? So I believe that's all that we have today for the coronavirus, and the clients who still are considering going to the salon. We'll be practicing more safety measures, and just take care. All right, we'll be back for another video. Talk to you later, dolls.